a military checkpoint on the border between Mexico and the United States. This international corridor is controlled by the powerful Gulf Cartel, which successfully uses the region as a key cocaine shipping route into the United States. Here in the border city of Reynosa, federal police are looking for people involved with the traffickers, which recently has included former soldiers and active police. But in its zeal to capture drug runners, the Mexican army recently stormed into one of the poorest neighborhoods in Reynosa looking for suspects. The soldiers came to this woman's tiny home and nearly tore it down, searching for drug evidence in what the army calls routine security inspections.
No hay seguridad.
There's no security for us. The military are supposed to ensure our safety, so why are they breaking into our homes and attacking us?
The National Human Rights Commission and Defense Secretary say a group of soldiers shot and killed 4 innocent people at a checkpoint last month. It's one of many cases of reported human rights abuses by soldiers against innocent civilians. It's been part of the high cost of battling drug traffickers, who experts say have permeated every level of Mexican society.
Están en todas partes.
Traffickers are in the church, in political parties, in the Congress, and in local governments. Even the Attorney General recognizes there are areas of the country where the state has already lost the battle against them.
Washington applauds President Felipe Calderon's decision to use the armed forces to quell rampant drug violence here, which observers say is fueled by the high demand for drugs in the United States. U.S. President George Bush proposes a $1.4 billion aid package for Mexico to better fight the cartels, which operate all along the 3,000-kilometer border. Security breaches happen even here at the legal crossing points on the U.S.-Mexico border, where every day thousands of trucks cross through, many of which go unchecked. That allows for the illegal trafficking of drugs and people to the north, and in the opposite direction, firearms come into Mexico, fueling drug violence here. As heavily armed soldiers continue to patrol these border cities in search of drug men and their illegal trade, many of the residents here say they're living in a state of fear. Innocent bystanders caught in the crackdown. Frank Contreras, Al Jazeera, Reynosa, Mexico.